guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and an unboxing of the VANS LX Authentic 44. Before we get into this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, helps us greatly. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown out our way. I just want to take this time, an opportunity to thank the subscribers, new and old. Without you guys, we can't do this. Thank you. Let's go. And today we've got a sneaker review of timeless classic, the VANS LX Authentic Reissue 44. We got this in the black and white colorway, in the US 8.5, it's a UK 7.5, and it's a European 41. So we've got one of my favorite brands ever, VANS, with a classic. I think everyone needs a pair of some authentics. But this is part of the Off the Wall collection. I mean, you can see it from the box here. You got your VANS blue box with the Off the Wall there. And it's a classic for a reason, but this is subtle differences to the one that, to the normal VANS authentic that you can get. This is part of the Off the Wall collection, so you have reinforced rubber, and you can see it right here. Starting at the outsole, you got your classic waffle outsole that you can always find on a pair of VANS. Reinforced rubber on the midsole. It's a bit thicker, so it's more durable. That's what you want. These sneakers were made for skating, and the canvas upper, it's a classic for a reason. Going black colorway, black and white, can't go wrong with that. Really lightweight, easy lace right there. Canvas tongue. The insole is a bit thicker, as mentioned before, because this is made to the specifics of the shoe that was made in the 70s. And you got your VANS logo on the insole, and then on the lateral side here, on the little tag, you got the VANS logo there also. For me, this is one of the most classic sneakers. You always need a pair of VANS Authentics, VANS slip-ons, Converse All-Stars, Chuck Taylors, the highs, in my opinion, you always need a pair of those. And you know, it's a staple. This is, in my opinion, never goes out of fashion. Obviously, in that time where we saw Jordan dominate, 2018 to 23 maybe, because personally I've seen Jordans fall off, but people have been going into like lower cut sneakers again. I want to see more people wear VANS. I mean, if you look at what's really kind of in fashion at the minute, like people are trying to bring back that punk fashion again, emo especially, like they're trying to get like that emo vibe of the mid 2000s, and that was big. I mean, I don't know about you, but not just like all the people that listen to rock, hard metal and that were wearing VANS, but you had back in like 2010, if you were doing the Dougie or you know the Jerk, people wearing VANS, because these are universal. These are great for a lot of things. Really happy to have a pair. Got to obviously style this with like loads of these, like loads of band tees. I mean, I'll be honest with you, the main reason why I bought these is because I saw the lead singer of Joyce Manor. Shout out Brendan, if you're watching this, you know, let's make music. Well, I can't really, I'm not that great, but Joyce Manor is one of my favorite bands, and it was cool to see him wear this at some live sessions. So I just thought, yo, it's been a while since I've bought a pair of VANS, and it'll be great to see these back on everyone's feet. It's a simple classic. Going to show you what I'm going to be, how I'll style it with. I'm wearing some great tracksuit bottoms. So roll that footage of me trying these VANS Authentic on for you. When it comes to the sizing, guys, I recommend that you get your true to size Vans fit. These are a European, oh, forgive me, these are UK 7.5. These fit perfectly, very snug. It's what I like when it comes to Vans. If you wanna get proper snug fit, maybe go half size down, but these are perfect. You can see here, looks really cool. Minimal, you can wear it with anything. I don't think I mentioned the reason why these are called Authentic Reissue 44s, and that is because these are the 44th style that Vans ever made. Hence the reason why they're called 44s. But timeless classics, you can't go wrong. I know I'm gonna get the midsole mad dirty, but you know, that's what you want with your Vans. That's what you want with your Vans. And if you're wondering what kind of tracksuit bottoms I'm wearing the Uniqlo C wide leg track pants. These are still available at Uniqlo. Again, if anyone from Uniqlo is watching, and we know that you are, hook the boys up. You know, we love the product so much. This isn't an ad, but we'd like to work with you guys. And Vans as well. So if anyone from Vans is watching, yo, throw some Vans our way. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz on Instagram and on TikTok. Until next time, peace.